it's Mitty, and if you are new here, welcome. We're gonna try something new today, and I'm excited because it's a decorate with me video. I love watching these. These types of videos are so fun to watch. They're so relaxing, and it always gives me inspiration for my space. I am a month late to putting out my Halloween decorations. I love putting them out September 1st, and I love having a whole 2 months of Halloween in my house. This year it's kind of cut short because I was so busy with life and doing DIYs and working on the channel that I haven't had a chance to actually put up all my decor. I guess we shall just get on with decorating. So since I go for a little witchy theme during Halloween, I wanted an area where I can hang my moon wreath that I just made, and I thought it would be really cool to kind of hang my moon wreath on this wall and then make a little apothecary magical station, potion station, right under it. And here I'm just setting up a whole bunch of different witchy decor items that I've basically have collected over the years. Some I have also made, like these witchy little vials that I just made this year, and I'm so happy with the way these came out. They actually look so cute. They were so cheap to make too. Here I'm going to use this little tray where I'm going to set up my little potions and stuff that I've collected. That's just a little cauldron that I got, I think, from Target, my little crystal ball. And then I do have like this little fortune teller sign that I've had. And then my quartz crystal candle. I love lighting this. It looks so pretty. And the apothecary station is done. So here's our entryway, and I'm going to give it some witchy vibes. I'm basically just going to hang up these wall arts that I have, which is a tarot card wall art, and then there's one that says sun, stars, and moons. It's really, really cute. And I'm going to add some spider webs to our mirror. And then I'm going to go ahead after this and add some spiders, you know, just to make it look like some spiders crawling on the mirror. I don't know. Spider webs are just always a really easy way to add a spooky touch to your Halloween decor. So that's why I have these. And then I'm going to add my pumpkin bucket. It's like a candy bucket that I got at Target last year. I painted it, and I usually use this for flowers. I like adding baby's breath. I think it looks really, really cute. And then I'm just going to hang up my witchy cinnamon broomstick. Okay, so I've been really excited for these. These are LED candles that you can control with the remote, and I thought they would look so cool in front of our window for Halloween. And I'm going to attach them to some fishing wire, I guess, or some clear string, so it looks like they're floating. All right, so I'm going to do a little unboxing. So these candles are LED, and I think 8 come in a pack, and you do need AA batteries for these, and they do not come with them. So if anybody is interested, remember to get AA batteries. And they are controlled with a remote, so you can turn them off and on. You could even have them on a timer, but I think they're really cool. So the way I'm going to add these to the ceiling is I'm just going to add tie some fishing wire at the end where it kind of lights up, where the fake flame is, and then I'm going to tack it into the wall or ceiling. So this day I was decorating and putting up the candles, and there was a storm and there was thunder and lightning outside, and it was super windy. It was blowing our curtains, and I thought I felt like I was in a movie. I felt like I was a little witch. It was so cool. It was just really nice timing, and it really set the mood for some Halloween decorating. There is my skeleton. I have been wanting a skeleton for so long, and every time they're either too expensive or they're sold out. So I ordered one early this year, and I'm gonna go ahead and add a little witchy cape that I've had onto our little skeleton. And we had one extra candle, so I just had him hold it. Next up is the witch's den. This is our dining area, and I wanted to decorate the space. So I have these lights up actually from last year. I used them as Halloween decorations, and I just never took them down. I thought they looked kind of cool. So for the entryway, I'm just gonna decorate it with some black, I think it's called gauze, if I'm not mistaken, or there's another name for them. It's escaping me right now. But I'm just gonna add some spider webs also, and I'm going to use my staple gun to staple them into the ceiling, and then just add some spiders. And then for our shelves, I feel like my decor is very witchy already, so I just add some extra little Halloween elements to it, like pumpkins and skeletons and spiders, and then I just kind of mix it in with my normal decor. And then to give the shelving some extra spooky vibes, I'm gonna bring out the spider webs. Spider webs, like I said, are such a quick, easy, and cheap way to add some spooky vibes to your house. And yeah, you don't have to spend too much money, and I think it looks really, really cool. I am so excited for this part. I have seen these little witch hats on Pinterest, and you kind of staple them into the ceiling and they float. So it's a similar situation to the candles, except this time we're going to staple in the witch hats to the ceiling, and then just kind of find what heights work best and just kind of play around with that. And yeah. And they're so cute. I actually love the way it came out.
I want to do that too. You can barely see your face. You're so small.
Next, we're just adding some fairy lights that I recently got, and they looked really pretty on the website. They're those really dainty small ones, and yeah, we're just gonna add them to our curtain rod and have them kind of just fall in the background behind the witch's den or witch's hats. And they look really, really pretty when they're turned on and all the lights are off, so I like them. For our table, I'm going to use this cauldron, and it's actually meant for candy, but what I'm going to do is use it as a vase and put some more baby's breath. I love using baby's breath. Like I said, it's easy, it's inexpensive, and I love the greenery element to the Halloween decorations, and they also look really, really pretty once they're all dried up. And I'm gonna add some candles and some little moon decorations to the table. I bought that moon, that moon phase art at Michael's craft store, and turns out it's actually kind of wrong, but it's okay. It's really cute still. For the magic mantle, I love decorating our mantle for any holiday, so I went ahead and put on some Edward Scissorhands as I was decorating the area. Does anybody have their go-to movie for Halloween decorating? Let me know in the comment section below. But I used some black gauze and some candles for the mantle, and I'm also going to add these little white pumpkins with these cute little stems. They looked so witchy and fairy-like. I had to get them. And then I'm gonna add this little bat garland that I purchased from Target. It's so cute. Inside of our fireplace is my favorite part because I want to make it look kind of like a little magical study, magical spell area. I don't know. But I'm gonna add just some regular books. I add some cobwebs on them with some LED candles, some pampas grass, and a little owl that I got from Target. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add some more baby's breath because, you know, I love baby's breath. I'm also going to add these black butterfly wall stickers to our mantle area. I purchased these last year off of Amazon, and when I saw them, I had to get them because all I ever see is bats, like bat decor that you could put on the wall, and rarely do I ever see anything like butterflies or black butterflies. So I thought I would purchase them, and I think they add such a really magical, whimsical element to Halloween decor. These are my Halloween pillows. I have a little moon phase one that I usually keep out year round, and then a palmistry one, and the little ghost punch needle pillow that I made this year. And now for the altar, or better known as the coffee table. So I'm going to use this moon phase candle holder that I just recently purchased at Target. It is the cutest thing ever. And I'm going to also add some pumpkins because the pumpkins that I just got, they remind me of something that would be in like a fairy tale. They look so whimsical, and I love the stem on the white ones. I'm also going to add a little skull, and it's velvet. And then another candle holder with a tapered candle. And the little candle holder has a moon on it. And I'm just going to finish the area off with some more baby's breath. Finally, it is 2 in the morning and I am finally done decorating. I'm trying to be quiet, but I am so happy with the way it turned out. Let me know what area is your favorite down in the comment section below. Mine is a tie between the candle area and the magical witch hat area. Other than that, thank you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in a brand new video very, very soon.